Hi everyone, thanks for joining this video and I'm gonna keep this video short and I'll make it very precise. What I'm saying is buying and selling a stock in a shorter time is sometimes more useful than holding a stock for long. So if you see here, if somebody bought a stock in month of January for 150 because of the market fluctuations, and if somebody looks at the price today, it's still 150. So it means somebody haven't gained much in this case. But if you were active on buying and selling, if you were to buy the stock price here, you could sell it after 5 to 7% of profit here, and then you could realize a profit and sell it. And then you could wait for an opportunity to buy again when the price was low, because it would occasionally go up and then you could sell again. So even in the long term, when the total price doesn't change, you could sell and buy at the right time and still make profit. And that's the criteria in day trading that may be really helpful for you. Thank you.